We are at Campbell's Customs in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's actually McKeesport PA. He's setting his shop of operation up, and let me tell you, this is sweet. He's got 3 brand new lifts, and he's just getting started on this one. He has another one that he's actually gonna be moving to this location for a while, and then he's setting up another location. But look at these snap-on lifts. That ain't no joke. That is not no joke right there. That's a 12-foot or 14-foot snap-on lift. Look at this. He's got some nice equipment. Wow, the room is so big too. Yeah, you gotta see this bathroom. It's like a vault. I told him I'd put a safe door. It's all concrete all the way around. He made it very interesting. I mean, this guy's got taste and style, let me tell you. Wow. I mean, look at that. You got a header as a towel rack. He's got the water pipe as a toilet paper holder. Very nifty. Very much so. He's getting his business together. He got certifications on the wall. He's doing it. That's what you do. Accomplishments and more. Yes. Hell yeah, look at this. He's got the...
Look, you gotta see the apartment look like, so you'll like it.
Yeah.
You come in here, I built this all out of wrenches and old school shit and straws
No
and everything.
shit. That is cool, that bench.
Yeah.
That is cool, I like that.
I'm gonna put a big chandelier in here and get this like a cathedral ceiling.
Absolutely.
And this is the apartment. You'll appreciate the apartment. It's pretty cool.
No
This is
kidding.
open floor plan. I just did all this.
Nice.
And I built car parts out of the lamps and everything.
Oh my God.
Everything's all
Yeah, the
industrial.
cam.
Yeah,
Hell
yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Oh yeah. Now, you did this? I mean, totally?
Yeah, I did all this, yeah.
No kidding, it was
This
just
place was a shithole. It was completely gutted and destroyed.
No, man.
I turned it into my apartment.
Wow.
It was destroyed.
That's awesome. And you live here?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I just bought this countertop. It's all steel. And I put all the old tools in here.
No kidding.
Epoxy them in.
Look at this.
Ain't that cool?
That is super cool, man. Holy cow.
Yeah, yeah.
Them tools and wrenches in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, and flaring tool.
Yeah.
And pipe wrench. Wow. Oh my God. That's interesting, man. That in itself is worth a lot of money.
Yeah. Ring and pinion top paper towel rack.
Nice.
I got a ring gear on the fan up there. There's all kinds of little things everywhere.
Damn, I love it. Yeah. I love it because I'm creative too.
Yeah, I'm trying. I like to be artistic and creative with this stuff when I remodel.
Oh yeah. No doubt, man. It's crazy. And this was just like a raw...
This was a shithole. I wish you could see what it looked like. There was nothing in here except for these shitty cabinets. I still gotta finish the cabinets.
Psst.
I'm gonna make
It's
them all
still,
work.
it just looks good. It doesn't even look bad.
Gutted. There was no ceilings.
Even if you left the cabinets like that, it looks like it goes,
Yeah.
bro. With everything you got going on, it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's
I mean,
beautiful.
even to the fucking brick right there along the top edge.
Yeah, and at night,
how you kept
light it
that.
all up with lighting effects and get all the brick textures and
Hell
light it
yeah.
up, you know.
Go you, bro. Man, absolutely beautiful. Absolutely.
It's been a work in
I
progress.
do appreciate you
knew
showing
you would
me
like
this.
it.
Hell yeah.
The second I heard you talk about stuff, I was
Oh,
like,
man.
this is like me. They're gonna like it.
Plus, I'm like a videographer.
I think it's cool you're doing that social media.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Man,
It's getting there. I still got a little way to go, but I'm trying, man.
hell yeah. Absolutely amazing.
Yeah,